On deck are the swimmers for event number 15, heat number 3. May we request our spectators to observe silence. Please observe silence during the start. Thank you.
Take your mark.
Lane number 1 is Anunciado Francis of Caraga. Lane number 2, Monsanto Nathan of Region 10. Lane number 3, Nagtag Dominic Joseph of Region 1. Lane number 4, Valdez Art Renzi of Region 4A. Lane number 5, Zia Titus Rafael of NCR. Lane 6, Dilo Marcus Jared of Region 4A. Lane 7, Gutierrez Irene Genesis of Region 7. Lane number 8 is Nina Seth Nina of Region 8. Last call for our swimmer Cayetano. Kindly proceed to the ready bench. Last call for Cayetano. Kindly proceed to the ready bench now.